Good morning, everyone. Case for Silver, Stephen here. My first update. Are you ready? Let's do this. So we're going to look at the bigger picture this morning. I just want to look at the price of gold. You'll see here that in about 1980, we hit a peak. We came back and we did this beautiful bowl shape and consolidated all the way through, right, to 2008, where we finally broke out. We came back and tested the breakout, had around $700 an ounce, and the rest was history. Look at the rise we had after this, right? So we're talking about a rise of how much? Looking at about 92%. Significant. Now, 2011, I participated in this bull run to 2,000 an ounce here. We had a nice correction, a huge bull here. And this has just been tough for the gold investors, right, to go through. But great buying opportunity if you know the history and you look at the long term. And you can see here we broke out. And then we made a nice handle on it. And this looks very much like this handle here. So I believe we're going to get another 100% move. And we're going to see some fireworks, and I think we're just beginning. We're just going to switch to the daily chart of gold here, and you can clearly see, I mean, you've seen it on Twitter, it's pretty clear the breakout has happened. So we've broken this downtrend line, and now we're going to, our next thing to attack is 2071. We also have first resistance at 1964. This is all in USD. Yeah, so that's the picture on gold. Let's take a look at silver. Silver monthly chart. Going back. Wow. Huge bull right from 1980 when the Hunt brothers kind of cornered the silver market. We came down, came back up, huge handle, right? So if you look at the big picture of this, it's intense. Right, very volatile, way more than gold. We came back down, great place to buy down here, just accumulate, which I have been doing in physical. And then once it started breaking out, that's when I started getting interested in the miners. And you'll see here the breakout is clear. We had a beautiful pullback, giving us another opportunity to buy twice. Right, we'll see it on the daily chart, around $21. Very strong support. And let's switch to the daily chart here. Daily chart, we can see this, as I was saying, double bottom, right? Broken out. If we draw some trend lines on here, this is the main trend line, right? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, never able to close above it on the daily. And then boom, we went through it, 27.40 today. Next point to attack, resistance, 28.12. Then we're looking at 29.35. So let's go. Once this is cleared, going back to the weekly, you got to go on the weekly to see the next resistance. It's huge, right? So we're looking back here. So next target, you've seen it on Twitter. It's not for nothing, 35.50. I called it 36. I really see this as our next big target. This is the target I want to see in Q1. I think we're going to try to attack this. I might be a bit aggressive, but this thing moves quick. I mean, look at this. When we had the breakout back here, I remember such an exciting time here. I lived through this. Never sold my physical, kept it, and I wasn't in miners back then, so I didn't profit from it. I'm still holding on to my position. So you can imagine this whole ride down here was... I just accumulate. I know the story. I know that bubble is going to burst. I know it's real money. I know you see all my posts on Twitter, so I'm pretty clear on this. Let's go look at platinum. Platinum weekly chart. You know what? Let's back up to... No, that's good. So weekly chart of platinum, you see here, multi-year resistance that I had been watching was right here. We're talking about 1,035. We finally broke through this. Next one to break through would be 1177. All right, so let's make it an even 1200. If we get a close above this, you know, the trend has already changed. Okay, it's already broken out. So this is why I'm invested in it. We look at the trend lines. Try to be accurate as much as possible here for you. Right here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fake breakout a bit. Boom, we broke out. We went back down, but like we bounced right back. That's in March. So I mean, everything in March is noise, right? An event of that we couldn't predict. So that's when I'm looking at platinum. I think it has a great way to go. I think our targets are up here somewhere long term. I'm accumulating long term. You'll see that in my portfolio. So that's there. I want to look at 2 other positions this morning before I leave you that I'm excited about. All right. Let's look at this one here, and this it's always fun when you see this. And it doesn't always happen. This is Lightbridge Corporation. This is a uranium play. I'll look at the fundamentals on another video, but I just want to look at the sorry, my phone was ringing. I want to look at the fundamentals, the technicals now. Okay, so we got an established trend line, right? We're looking back in 2018. Boom, 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 and look at this. We're hitting it again, and we got a nice triangle formation. So I'm looking forward to seeing what happens. I'm going to switch to the daily and show you my my trade on this that's active. Okay, I bought around here on the daily. All right, I was seeing it coiling up. Look at the volume here. Right, let's go back to the weekly. You can see it better on the weekly chart. Check out the volume. It's huge. So catching a bottom is difficult, but this volume told me something. So I said, okay, something's going on. I want to take part of this. This little rectangle you can see here, I'm seeing this as some major support, right here. March, again, noise, right? We came back to test it a bit, all right? So on the daily, if we go back to that for a second. Daily chart, all right? My daily chart here, I bought it around somewhere in here. You'll see in my portfolio. Check it out. Check out exactly my entry. I don't have it in here. We shot up. I was up 30% over my position. Awesome. I didn't take profits. I used to take profits early. I learned my lesson. We got to let these things run. I went through this pullback. I wanted to add. Once it proved to me that my trade was correct, I said there's going to be a pullback. I'll add to it. I pulled back. I bought more right here. All right, 429 right on this candle. It kept going down. That's okay. I tested support. That's fine. Look at today. Boom. What a rise. We're up 20% today, this morning. So huge trade. We're hitting this resistance right now. I don't think I'm getting out here. I want to see how we reacted this line. I want to play this breakout with this volume. I think it could lead to big things. My other trade, last chart of this morning. All right. One of my trades, which you won't see in my portfolio because I sold it. I got in down here, all right, and I sold up here. So I'll review it on another video and I'll show you that those numbers. But I had a beautiful. How much is that? I actually caught. This is luck. Honestly, it's you have to play with some luck. So I think I got like 40% on this move. So that was nice. I sold. And then I'm back in here now, and you can see this trend line being respected really well. All right, we had some major action here. Okay, we got some good volume compared to back here, right? So we got volume. We're looking up here, 12 million shares. Volume has slowed down now. We're coiling up. Look at where we're going. Breakout is going to happen. We need a tight stop. I need a tight stop. If this breaks down below, I'm out. I'm out, but I'm hoping that we're going to get an upswing here, and our first target, if we do break out of this, I'm hoping for, we're looking at 30% here, and if it breaks that, who knows? This is a daily chart. Look at the day chart. Boom, boom. So highly volatile, but bullish. Nice cup handle. So that's the way I look at things. You get the first kind of preview, first video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments. Let me know if you find it, if it helps you in identifying other trades. And let me know what you want me to break down. And this evening after work, I'll look at that. So I got to get back to work. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye.